Hello friends, welcome back to Indian Trail Explorer. In today's video, we are diving into the hidden gem of Chikmagalur in Karnataka called Amba Theertha. Let us embark on this journey together. Situated just 4 kilometers from Kalasa in the Chikmagalur district of Karnataka, Amba Theertha is one of the town's 5 water spots, known as Panchatheertha. The pristine waters and the picture-perfect scenery make it a must-visit destination. As you stand here, surrounded by nature's wonders, you will witness a variety of whirlpools, a large suspension bridge, and in the distance, the majestic Western Ghats and the rivers Tunga and Bhadra. It's a perfect setting for a quick getaway or a memorable family holiday. To reach Amba Theertha, you can either fly to Mangalore or take the train to Shivamogga station. From there, Kalasa is just a short drive away. It is well connected by roads to different parts of Karnataka state, and the distance from Kalasa to Bangalore is about 325 kilometers. Little known to the world, Amba Theertha is a true hidden gem on the banks of river Bhadra, surrounded by coffee plantations and dense forest, offering a rich variety of flora and fauna. The gushing waters, gentle streams, abstract formations in black rock, and the vibrant growth of wildflowers make Amba Theertha a haven for photography enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. Incredible India indeed. Amba Theertha is a beautiful and peaceful place to relax and enjoy. But a word of caution, the water is deep and fast flowing in some spots, and the rocks can be slippery. Be very careful and stay mindful of your surroundings. Before you embark on your journey, here are some tips to keep in mind. The access road from the main road to the river point can be challenging, with a stretch of around 2 kilometers being completely off-road with sharp ups and downs. If you are not up for the adventure, you can also choose to walk from the main road. The hotel at the main road from where you need to take the turn is called the Prince of Kalasa. As we wrap up this adventure, remember to like this video, subscribe for more off-roading explorations, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay adventurous, stay safe, and keep exploring. Thanks for watching this video.